Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to deposit Bitget wallet from the Bybit wallet. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to open up your Bitget wallet application. So once you do it, all you have to do is to go to the receiving option. In the receiving option, select the currency or the token or the cryptocurrency that you want to receive from the Bybit application. So for example, I want to receive USDT. I will ensure to select the right chain for it. For example, I'm gonna go with the tone chain. So I'm just gonna go and do it. Just a second. So here you can see that I have my tone USDT chain address right over here. So all I have to do now is to go to the Bybit application. So for that, go ahead and open up your Bybit application. So once you're in your Bybit application, all you have to do is to go and you go to your assets. In the asset option, go to withdraw. Because we have to send the cryptocurrency, so we have to withdraw from the Bybit in order to send it to the Bitget wallet. So for example, right now I don't have anything, but I can search the USDT, and you can see that there are different sort of networks in it. So right now the Bybit application does not support clone chain for the USDT, but you can go and search that other chain that the Bybit application support, so you can use that. So here all you have to do is to provide the address. For example, I'm gonna go and provide the address right over here and select the chain. For example, it was tone, and tag or memo is optional. So enter the amount you want to transfer, and then simply go and tap on withdraw. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.